Hi students, this is Mahima Gupta and today we are going to start our next chapter, chapter number 7. Okay, so here the subject is General Knowledge, class 4th, chapter number 7, and the title of the chapter is India's Superlatives. Means we are going to study about the largest, biggest, highest thing of our country. Okay, so let's move to the next slide. The first thing is highest dam. Okay, highest dam of India. This is the picture of highest dam of India. The name of this dam is Bhakra Dam. Okay, Bhakra Dam is built on Satluj River. It is situated in Bilaspur of Himachal Pradesh. Okay, it is the second largest dam in Asia. Many people also call this Bhakra Nangal Dam, but originally the name is Bhakra Dam. So the answer for the highest dam of India is Bhakra Dam, which is built on Satluj River and is situated in Bilaspur, Himachal Pradesh. Okay. Now the next one is largest desert. Largest desert of India. This is the picture of largest desert of India. The name is Thar Desert. Okay, Thar Desert. It is situated in Rajasthan. Okay, and it also built boundary between India and Pakistan. So we can say it is situated between Pakistan and India. The answer will be Thar Desert. If I will ask about the largest desert of the world, then the answer will be Sahara Desert. But the largest desert of India is Thar Desert. Okay. Next one is largest lake. Largest lake of India. This is the picture of the largest lake of India. Okay, so the name for the largest lake of India is Vular Lake. Okay, the answer will be Vular Lake. Vular Lake is situated in Bandipora district of Jammu and Kashmir. Okay, it is built because of the tectonic activities of Jhelum River. So the largest lake of India is Vular Lake. It is one of the largest freshwater lake of Asia. Okay. So the answer for the largest lake of India is Vular Lake. Now the next one is largest mosque. Largest mosque of India. So the answer for the largest mosque of India is Jama Masjid. This is the picture of Jama Masjid. You can see here. Jama Masjid is situated in Chandni Chowk of New Delhi. Okay, it is built by Shah Jahan in 1650 to 1656. Okay, so this is the largest mosque of India. The answer will be Jama Masjid, which is situated in Delhi. Next one is longest river. Longest river of India. This is the picture of the longest river of India. The answer will be Ganga river. Okay, Ganga is one of the holy river of our country. It is the picture of Ganga river. Okay, this is Banaras. Okay, this is the picture of Banaras actually. The origin of Ganga is Gangotri glacier. Okay, and it is one of the important, very efficient river of South Asia. It also flow in India and Bangladesh. In Bangladesh, it is called as Padma river. Okay, so the answer for the longest river of India is Ganga. It travel apart between many cities just like Banaras, Prayagraj, okay, Kolkata also. So the next slide here. Highest peak of India. Highest peak of India. The picture is here and the answer will be Kanchenjunga. Kanchenjunga is the third highest peak in world and the height of this peak is 8,586 meters. It is situated in Sikkim of India. Okay, some of the part of this range is situated in Nepal also, but the highest peak, which is called as Kanchenjunga, is situated in Sikkim of India. Okay. Now the next one is highest Minar. This is the picture of highest Minar. I think you know the answer. The answer will be Qutub Minar. Okay, Qutub Minar. It is one of the UNESCO World Heritage Site. It is situated in Mehrauli area of New Delhi. The height of this Minar is 72.5 meter and it is built by Qutbuddin Aibak. Actually, the work is started by Qutbuddin Aibak, but the Minar was completed in the reign of Iltutmish. Okay, so the highest Minar of India is Qutub Minar. Next one is highest waterfall. Presently, the highest waterfall of India is Nohkalikai, which is situated in Meghalaya. But because the syllabus is outdated, okay, so the answer which is given in your syllabus is Jog Fall. Okay, Jog Fall. This is the picture of Jog Fall, which is situated in Sagar Taluk, Shimoga district of Karnataka. Jog Fall is situated in Sagar Taluk, Shimoga district of Karnataka. Jog Fall is on Saravati river. Okay, so the highest waterfall of India is Jog Falls according to our syllabus. Okay. Next one is biggest dome. Biggest dome of India. This is the picture of biggest dome of India. The answer is Gol Gumbaj. Okay. Gol Gumbaj. Gol Gumbaj is situated in Bijapur, Karnataka. It is built between 1626 to 1656 and it is built by Muhammad Adil Shah, a king of the Adil dynasty. Okay, so it is built by Muhammad Adil Shah and the height of this dome is 51 meter. So the biggest dome of India is Gol Gumbaj, which is situated in Bijapur, Karnataka. Now the next one, longest road. Longest road of India. The answer is here GT road, means Grand Trunk Road. Okay, GT road, it is also called as Uttar Path, Sadak-e-Azam or Sadak-e Sher Shah Suri. Okay, because it was renovated by Sher Shah Suri, but it was originally built by Chandragupta Maurya. So it is the largest road of India, which is built by Chandragupta Maurya. Okay, and the name is GT road. It travel a path from Punjab to New Delhi. Okay, from Peshawar, Lahore, Kolkata. So the answer for the longest road is GT road. Next one, longest tunnel. This answer is also updated now. Presently, the answer for the longest tunnel is Chinani Nashri. Okay, Chinani Nashri, or we can say Syama Prasad Mukherjee tunnel. But according to our book, the answer which is given is Jawahar tunnel. Okay, the answer is Jawahar tunnel. The length of Jawahar tunnel is 2.85 kilometer. 2.85 kilometers, which connect Banihar in Jammu with Kajikand. The name is given on the PM, one of our PM, Jawaharlal Nehru. Okay, so the longest tunnel of our country is Jawahar Tunnel. Next one, largest open university. Okay, largest open university of India. So the answer will be Indira Gandhi National Open University. The answer will be Indira Gandhi National Open University. This is the logo of IGNOU. Okay, and it is the largest with the 40 lakh plus enrollment in it. Okay, it is founded in 1985 and the headquarters of this university is in New Delhi. So I hope you understand all the questions. Okay, so let's meet for the next chapter in the next video. Thank you.